Is your Epson printer not printing properly or showing missing lines and no ink? I'll show you how to run power cleaning using your PC to fix clogged nozzles fast. This method is very effective, especially when regular cleaning doesn't work. Before we begin, there's something important you should know. Power cleaning uses a significant amount of ink, so only use this method if normal cleaning fails. Before running it, check your ink tanks. Make sure each tank is filled to at least 1/3 capacity to avoid air entering the system. Now, turn on your printer and make sure it's properly connected to your computer, either using a USB cable or over Wi-Fi. Once everything is ready, follow these steps. Open your printer settings on your computer. Go to the Maintenance or Utility tab. Then select Power Cleaning. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully and start the process. The printer will begin cleaning, and this may take several minutes. Do not turn off the printer during this process. Once it's finished, print a nozzle check to see the result. If power cleaning doesn't work the first time, do not run it repeatedly. Wait at least 6 hours before trying again to avoid damaging your printer and wasting ink. For best results, let the printer rest for a few minutes